desire. This is my first study vlog. Subscribe to my channel and please share your views in comment section below. I believe being active and energetic in the morning really helps us to make our entire day productive. So I try to start my day with a small morning walk. Reading quotes also give me a positive boost, so I try to read quote every day. Coming back home after a small morning walk, I take a shower and get freshen up. And currently I am making lemon tea for myself. Once I finish my lemon tea and breakfast, I start my first study slot. Today I have started at 8:30 and currently I am reading economics. I always start my first two study slots by reading and or by watching a new video lectures for my new topic, because I feel in morning we are very energetic and our minds are fresh, so we can easily retain and learn new things. Whenever I start or try to learn a new topic, I always take notes, because it really helps me to revise things again when I want, and it also helps to keep me actively engaged in the learning process. Making notes while we are studying or watching the new videos really make the study sessions long and lengthy, but it always helps in a long run, because for example, if we study for around 30 minutes, so covering up that thing is really easy, but when we try to revise it, so it might be difficult if we don't have any notes. But when we are watching or learning some new things, and if we are making notes out of it, might take 1 hour or might be 2 hours, but when we have the written notes with us and we want to revise it, so it takes around just 15 to 20 minutes to revise entire thing. When I start my study session, I try not to leave my space. So if I want something, so I just ask my mom to get me that thing. So here she's coming and giving me a bite of chocolate. This only happens sometimes only, but mostly I try when I'm studying. I don't indulge in any other activities. I try not to bound myself to a strict timing like 1 hour or 2 hours, but I always focus on completing my targets, completing my lectures. But eventually, it turns out to be 1 hour 59 minutes, or so it almost takes around 2 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes to complete a lecture. My first study slot is about to end, so I'll take a small break and then I start with a new study slot. So now it's 11 a.m. and I am again with a new lecture for my economics. So in a day I always try to cover up lectures. If I am reading today politics or economics, so I just continue with it and I try to complete few portion of it, and then I shift to a new subject. Currently, I have enrolled for Byju's IAS program for my UPSC CAC preparation, because I am a kind of a person who likes to do things at our own pace. I really like the video lectures which Byju's provide. They also provide PPTs of the same lectures, but I found the PPTs are just the bullet points and not the complete notes, and we have to really note down a lot of things. This is my point of view, but if you want and you are comfortable, you can go for some other offline courses or some online video lectures, or else you have the option to do self study. But at the end of the day, what matters is your dedication and hard work, and you are only responsible for your own failure and success. In between the study slot, if I feel little bit distracted or tired, I try to consume little bit of water or some juice. So this helped me to continue my study slot a little longer and keep myself engaged in the study. Now I am almost about to end this study slot, and after this I'll just take my lunch, relax for just a few minutes and start my new study session. So here begins the third study slot, and I have just picked up my economics book to read few of the initial chapters. So it's around 2 o'clock. So while I'm reading, so I just underline few of the important words or few of the important facts and definition, and highlight some of the author's name. And I try not to make any note out of the books because it really adds on, and which is unnecessary thing. So I just highlight things in the book, so whenever I read, I just revise the important things which I have underlined and marked. When I complete 2 study slots in which I have taken notes and watched videos to learn new topics, I always try that my next study slot is about reading the books or revising my previous topics or writing some, because this really helps me to keep going with my new study slot with the same energy which I had in my first 2 study slots. Once I complete the reading, I also try to solve some previous year questions, so it really gives me idea what kind of questions will be asked from the topic. So I'm also done with my third study slot. I have completed reading of the few initial chapters, and now I'm taking a small break. So I'm preparing detox water for myself. I have taken 2 spoons of flax seeds, ulsi, and ulsi is rich in dietary fibers. I added 1 cup of lukewarm water into it, and also added lemon for better flavor. Consuming tea continuously is not really good for health, so I try to experiment a lot with detox water and different type of green teas. After enjoying this refreshing detox water, I started my new study slot, and again I have taken economics. So it's around 3:30, and I always try to complete my first 4 study slots before evening. Whenever I watch a video which has a lot of data and have tabular format information and charts, I always try to take a printout of it, because it really helps me to save time. Because if I try to note each and everything which has been showing in the slides, so it will consume a lot of my important time which I can give for my revision or to learn new topics. So I'm almost about to end this study session, and since morning I have completed my 4 study sessions, and I only took a few small breaks in between. So in evening I take a little bit a longer break. There are few small puppies which live near my locality, so I always try to go and play with them. I feed them some food, and I really enjoy my time playing with them. These little cuties also like to play with me, so they are always very engaging when I try to play with them. I am a plant and animal lover, and I always like and love to be around nature. So whenever I get a small amount of free time, I always try to go outdoors and enjoy the nature. I don't have any pet animal, but playing and feeding this animal, taking care of these small puppies really give me the satisfaction and happiness. After playing with Simba, I really feel refreshed and energetic to start my 5th study session. Around 7 in the evening, I watch the current affair videos and make notes out of it, because when I make my own notes, it really helps me to understand things better. Writing notes in my own language also helps me to remember things in a better manner. Just about to complete the current affairs session, and after completing my current affairs, I take my dinner and take a small break and then start my new study session. So it's around 9:30 and I'm reading notes of the current affairs for which I earlier watched the video. So I download the PDF and now I'm highlighting few of the important things. So this is the additional thing which I read apart from taking out notes of the current affair videos which Byju's provided. And after completing this CNA, Comprehensive News Analysis, I also read a Press Information Bureau for the same day. So this is the last study session of the day. So today I am revising. So it's around 10:15 and I am revising my NCERT notes for economics which I made earlier. So what I'm going to do in my last study session depends on the entire day and my planning. So sometimes it happens if I'm not able to complete my video lectures, so I try to extend it in my last study session or try to read some book. And sometimes I also do answer writing practice at the end of the day. Personally, I don't like to target myself in the beginning of the day by making a to-do list what I want to do in entire day, because if I'm unable to complete it all, then I get demotivated. So what I do, I make a broader plan for myself, and whatever I do in entire day, it depends on my broader plan, that how much amount of studies I need to do in order to complete my subjects on time. There are few things which I religiously follow every day, is learning new topics from my video lectures and making note out of it. Second is current affairs. Third is reading the PIB, and fourth is revision. So whatever new things are there, sometime it happens I do answer writing, sometime it doesn't happen. So those are the few things which I write down at the end of the day, that what is been left and what I need to include in my next study sessions. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please write in comment section and also share your views.